So this is a great example of, this was a live I did that the whole thing was going to be flux. And about halfway through, I just didn't love it. I didn't feel like it was turning out the way I had intended it to turn out, which is exactly what I really shouldn't do. I should just kind of let the tangle go where it's meant to go based on how I feel and what I'm doing. And so I had put in this crescent moon in one, and I had put another flux in another one, and I put a Printemps in one, and you can see I inked some because I didn't really like what was going on, and then I inked another one because I didn't like what was going on. But once I started to put color on it, and we ended up seeing it look like an owl, it turned out to be one of my favorite tangles that I've done. And so I really put intense color on it, and then I put it into stickers and cardstock and did it also in another color you'll see in my Etsy shop. And that link is in my bio. But the moral of the story is, never throw away tangles that you don't love. You might come back to them later. Put them in a drawer.